shopping. I went to Target. Mama! Theo? Hola! Hola! Let's go shopping! Let's go shopping! What are we gonna get?
Make you smile?
Hello, Samuel! We're gonna go shopping! We're gonna go shopping! Yay! He's busy reading, maybe. Don't bother him. Okay, let's go.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye!
We're gonna ciao, Papi! Bye, Daddy!
Bye.
Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy!
Do you want me to help you put them in the car? No le gusta eso, pero no. No le gusta lo verde, no le gusta.
Ciao! Ciao! I'm getting Austin a little present from us for his second birthday. What do you think?
Okay.
Bye! He's got his book, Remy. He's taking his book with him.